Before you buy MyCase, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. MyCase is a solid choice for law firms, but is it the right one for you? We'll compare it to other tools and break down exactly what you need to consider before making that decision. Stick around to the end because I'll share where you can try MyCase for free and how you can unlock exclusive benefits when you sign up. First off, MyCase shines with its client management capabilities. If you've been using software like Clio or Rocket Matter, you'll immediately notice how MyCase brings all client interactions, communications, and case details into one place. It's designed to make it easier for firms to keep track of everything without jumping between different systems. The built-in CRM allows for seamless interaction with clients, making communication and case management smoother than with many other options. Next, one of the key features of MyCase that sets it apart is its intuitive interface. If you're used to tools like LawPay or Practice Panther, you might be overwhelmed by their learning curves. MyCase, however, is user-friendly right out of the box, and it's easy to get your team on board. You won't need a ton of training to understand how to use it effectively, which can be a huge time saver for busy law firms. The third thing you should know about MyCase is its integrated billing and accounting tools. When compared to other platforms like Clio, MyCase does a much better job of combining client communication and billing in one system. The invoicing process is simple, and you can track payments and expenses easily. Plus, it supports trust accounting and has built-in reporting features, so it's a great fit for firms who want to streamline their billing without relying on external tools. The fourth thing to keep in mind is MyCase's mobile app. A lot of competitors' apps fall short, but MyCase offers a solid, fully featured mobile app that's ideal for lawyers who need to access case details on the go. The app gives you full functionality from your phone, making it easy to stay connected with clients, review case files, and track billable hours while you're out of the office. For mobile access, MyCase is definitely a standout. Next, one thing I really like about MyCase is its document management system. If you've been using Dropbox or Google Drive, you might find it hard to organize all of your legal documents effectively. With MyCase, everything is neatly organized by client and case, and documents are easy to upload, share, and manage. It keeps your team on the same page and ensures compliance, which can save you from potential headaches down the road. Another important consideration is MyCase's pricing structure. Compared to competitors like Clio or Rocket Matter, MyCase is more affordable, especially for small to mid-sized law firms. It's a solid option for firms that need robust features without paying the premium prices that some of the other tools demand. If you're on a budget, MyCase offers a good balance of price and functionality. Finally, you need to know that MyCase's customer support is top-notch. Unlike some of its competitors, which might leave you waiting for hours to speak to someone, MyCase provides prompt, knowledgeable support. Whether you need help with the software itself or have a billing question, their team is available to assist you through live chat, email, or phone. To sum it all up, MyCase offers a solid platform that's well suited for law firms with easy-to-use features, integrated billing, strong mobile functionality, and great support. But before making your decision, remember you can try MyCase completely free through the first link in the description below. Plus, if you click that link, you'll also get exclusive benefits, making it an even better deal. If you're ready to see what MyCase can do for you, click that link